Hi, I'm Chef D, and I'm the culinary arts teacher here at Lancaster High School. And the ProStart program here has helped increase our numbers in culinary students. We went from having 5 to 10 students per classroom to now having in between 25 to 30 per classroom. And we also have a new department at the 9th grade center. So this program is steady growing since I have been here. The new equipment that you guys are offering will help us in ways of overnight cooking. We do a lot of batch cooking. We do a lot of events and caterings. So the new equipment will help tremendously in teaching us how to do overnight cooking, sous vide. It will also teach us about the different baking techniques, the different steaming techniques, roasting as well. So it'll be an addition to the ovens that we already have here.
Growing up, I used to watch a lot of cooking videos with my grandma and with my mom, and from there, I just grown interest.
What is your dream job in the food industry?
I would like to become a baker and go to culinary school, baking school, graduate from there, and open a bakery.
What cooking skill do you want to improve on the most?
I don't know, that's a hard question. Probably working with like temperatures, like temping food, stuff like that.
How do you think better kitchen equipment could help the students?
Right now, like when we fry food, we have to use a bunch of pots on the stove, and it's very difficult. So I feel like if we had like a fryer, it'll be easier for all of us to fry food at one time.
What is your favorite thing you've cooked in class so far?
Ooh, pasta, because I feel like it's easier.
Give it to your little kitchen, right?